Welcome back, everybody. Today we are at a location that we did that large evergreen design and installation with the amazing Jap maples that we planted. I'm here to do some doctor work because that little guy not doing good. If you remember in that video, we can go back and watch it, we had water issues with that hole. We knew in advance, so we added gravel to the bottom of the hole about 6 inches so the roots wouldn't be sitting in standing water. Hoping it would work. It didn't. I'm gonna pop him out of the hole, take him home, clean off the roots, look at them. If it has root rot, we're gonna use the hydrogen peroxide to clean them off, help dry everything out, hopefully nurse them back to health. $400 tree, we don't wanna lose them. Again, we're not gonna put anything else in that hole. I'll show you why. This patio here has been sloped at the degree for proper drainage away from the house. Unfortunately, it's been sloped right into this bed. So we have algae growing on the wall, and that's where the excess water is coming from. So we're gonna have to install a French drain right at the base of that wall and redirect the water into the grass. After that's done, this hole will dry up, and then we can replant something there and see how it does without all the water issues. Let's do it. I can smell already. There's funk in that hole. Smells like death. So we'll see if we can bring it back. That's horrible. Poor thing. We'll take him back to the house, try to dry him out, put him in some good potting soil. He is hating life. So we have the patient in the back. I'm gonna head back across town to my house, see what we can do to help him out, okay? Show you the process, what I'm gonna try. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a flash. 40-minute drive for me, just like that for you. See, I'm back already. So look, what we're gonna do here is rinse all that yucky dirt off that root ball. Then we'll take it over here. I'll show you what we're doing next, okay? That is root rot. That's what happens when you have too much water, stagnant, sitting in a hole with roots involved. All right, so trimmed off the roots. You can see a little bit right there. Still some of the black stuff in there. Not much hope for it. Here's what you're gonna wanna use. The snips to get off any funky roots. The peroxide to soak the roots with. You will hear it fizzing and bubbling and eating away at some of that yucky stuff. Now, you don't need to rinse the shrub afterwards. Just leave it like that. Let the hydrogen peroxide do its thing. Put in some good soil. Put on some starter root enhancing fertilizer. And yeah. All right, guys. So the patient has been doctored on. Basically, you rinse all the yucky stuff off of it. You make sure you have hydrogen peroxide to dump it on the roots. That purifies, kills out fungus, bacteria, whatever. Get some good potting soil. Get some root stimulating organic fertilizer and plant it. Hope and pray for the best. Success rate on this little guy, he's planted good, but he had a lot of funky stuff in his roots, all right? Inside his roots, you saw that black stuff. That's the disease. So all I could try was to snip out most of the disease and give it a good life. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll check back in. Hey, always be good, be kind, and love each other. Really landscape style.